4-berth off-road hybrid caravans are a popular choice for people to get out and see our great country. If it's time for you and your family to go and see what the Aussie Outback has to offer, you need to check out the van that all others will be measured by, the AUSRV XL15-4E MKII. From front to back, this great new model has had plenty of attention. Sporting the all-new and painted Aero Locker front storage box, the XL15-4E MKII offers an aerodynamic advantage to save on fuel and affords a better turning circle for tray-back utes without compromising storage capacity. A great safety feature built in as standard is the Trailer Shore asymmetric electronic stability control. Able to brake each wheel individually, it monitors the caravan hundreds of times a second to make sure it's there when you really need it. Another great feature is the DO35 hitch. With heaps of articulation, it is super strong and rated at 3.5 tonne. For eyes all round and further safety, a rear view camera is installed as standard, perfect for parking your van at home or at camp. It also acts as a rear view camera when driving. With no wiring to install and using Bluetooth technology, simply mount the remote monitor in the vehicle and plug it into a 12-volt socket. On top of the XL15-4E MKII is the largest solar panel output we have ever done. 650 watts of elevated solar panels safely mounted to the aluminium frame in the roof. With a generous air gap, they will stay cooler, perform better and last longer than flat panels glued to the roof. Right beside the solar panels is the Malenko TV antenna. Being omnidirectional, there's no need to raise and turn the antenna. Simply adjust the gain and you'll be watching your shows on the included HD TV. Raising a pop-top roof has never been easier. The XL15-4E MKII roof lift is electrically powered for ease and convenience, with a very big advantage in this van layout. There are no lifting handles interfering with the comfort of the top bunk, which really sets this van apart when it comes to the kids' comfort. With generous sized bunks and high density foam mattresses, your kids will be comfortable well into their teens. The top bunk has a secure ladder with wide foot rungs and is well positioned not to interfere with the ensuite or front door entry. 12-volt and USB outlets beside the bunks enable charging of personal devices, and reading lights are well positioned for the young bookworm. The main bed is a king size with a comfortable inner spring mattress. Sleeping in a north-south arrangement, you can get in and out of bed with minimal disruption to your partner's sleep. For the ultimate in privacy and convenience, the XL15-4E MKII has an internal shower and toilet ensuite. Stylish and made from a one-piece fiberglass module, there is a vanity with sink and storage for towels and paper goods where they'll be kept dry and within handy reach. The internal comforts and convenience don't stop, and the XL15-4E MKII has an internal kitchen with gas cooktop and plumbed sink. The kitchen is perfect for when the weather isn't kind or when you simply want breakfast indoors or a cup of tea or coffee before facing the day. Built into the side of the van is this great inside-outside pantry with 2 sliding drawers. The great thing is it's located right beneath the kitchen inside and right beside the outdoor kitchen, so you don't have to drag everything from inside to the outside or vice versa each time you're cooking. In any family van, storage is important. The XL15-4E MKII won't leave you wanting. With miles of drawer and cupboard storage, you'll have a place for everything and everything in its place. When having all your non-perishables already stored on board the van, those quick getaways will be easier and more frequent. A bench and swivel table adds further convenience, being able to eat meals inside or have room for study, work or board games with the kids. The inside of this van isn't the only area to get plenty of features. Outside is a generous fridge slide that will easily accommodate the more popular dual zone fridges. The fridge slide is fitted with 12-volt socket and an efficient and secure Anderson plug connection and a handy light for after dark. Cooking outside is easy with a stainless steel slide-out kitchen with gas cooktop, sink with plumbed hot and cold water, and the convenience of a wind shroud. A drying rack provides extra space, and right beside the kitchen is a handy pantry drawer. At the back of the van, the makeover continues with fold-down spare wheel carriers that require very little effort to raise and lower due to a superior gas strut design. Folding down completely makes setting up the fold-out section a breeze. The fold-out section has some improvements such as double skin top section offering better thermal properties and gas strut assistance to keep it in place when setting up the side panels. Gas strut assistance on the rear window section gives improved ease of setup, and the locking latches can accept padlocks for security. Once set up, the natural floor levels allow the rain to run off easily. If off-grid camping is your thing, the AUSRV XL15-4E MKII has to be the #1 contender. With the LIFEPRO 200 amp lithium battery and 650 watts of solar power on the roof, your off-grid needs are well taken care of. The XL15-4E MKII is powered by the LIFEPRO Plus 200 amp lithium battery. This provides around the equivalent of 4 100 amp deep cycle batteries. When combined with the 650 watts of solar panel on the roof, managed by 2 PROJECTA IDC 25L DC to DC chargers, your off-grid power is well taken care of. With huge ticks against battery power, solar charging, storage space and food storage, that leaves just one thing for the total off-grid package, and that's water storage. With 240 litres of freshwater storage and an 80 litre grey water tank, you'll be comfortable off-grid for longer. The more time I spend with the AUSRV XL15-4E MKII, the more I love it. Absolutely the last word in comfort, convenience and off-grid travel. The quality of finish is the best I've seen in this class of caravan. You need to check this out for yourself. Head into one of our stores nationwide and have a chat to one of our sales professionals, or jump on our website and check out the 3D tour.